How to tie a tie. I'm going to show you two ways in which you can tie a tie in the most easiest way. So let's begin. The first one is pictorial one. You can see there are two ends, one is wide and the other is smaller. The wide one must be longer enough and must be hanging more than the smaller one. Then you have to make sure that the wide end goes over the smaller end like so. The wide end will now go under the smaller section towards the right. Bring the wide end up through the neck loop, creating a smaller triangle in a shape of a cute little heart, like a diamond shape, like so. And then you have to pull it from the back towards the left. After it's done, you have to pull it over again towards the right, over the small little diamond triangle you just made. Then you have to pass the wider angle into the triangle towards the down smaller section like so. So we're basically passing it into the triangle and then it's all made. You just have to tighten it a bit. Now here's another method which you can use to basically tie a tie. You have to flip over the wider end and you have to flip over the smaller end like so, and we're basically creating two loops on both sides. Twist the smaller loop and pass it through the wider end and pass the smaller side through it like we did with the wider one in the pictorial representation. Thanks for watching.